everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be adding really weird things into slime, so stay tuned to see what will happen to my slime. If you aren't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe down below, because once we hit 2,000 subscribers we will be doing a face reveal on this channel. Also, why not just subscribe to my channel, because you are definitely not going to want to miss any of my upcoming videos. Now without further ado, let's get on to this video. So the first random thing that we will be mixing into slime are these like magic sponge type of things. I don't know what they're called, but they're like little sponges in a little capsule, and basically you let them sit in water and they'll just like open up by themselves and they'll turn into a really cool mystery shape. And I had let these sponges soak in water for like 5 minutes, but they weren't moving, they weren't cracking open, nothing was happening to them, so I just went in with my hands and just started cracking them open. It was so satisfying. It made such great ASMR. Also, I have no idea what the shapes of the sponges are supposed to be. They don't look like anything. Also, I just wanted to let you all know that each slime that I used throughout this video was part of a giant batch of slime that I made. It is an Oreo inspired slime with black glitter, so that's why there's black glitters in the background. I just want to let you all know that. After I set the sponges on top of the slime and I pressed into the slime, a whole bunch of water came out of the sponges, which was super cool. It looked really satisfying. The sponges give the slime a really cool like squishy texture. It was so cool. It felt like a squishy was inside of the slime. And I honestly really like this texture. The slime wasn't as stretchy, but it was a really good texture and had good bubble pops, and it was really squishy. Next up, we will be mixing bouncy balls into slime. So these are the bouncy balls you get from like those quarter machines like at pizza shops or donut shops, and I purposely collected these for this video because I was so excited to see what would happen if I mix these into slime. As you can see, the slime is a little hard to play with. I can't poke it, or I can't really press into the slime because the balls just get in the way, and they're so hard that I can't play with the slime. I can't squish the slime. And after I played with the slime for a while, the balls started to fall out of the slime. It was getting really annoying, so I tried taking some of them out, as you can see, but it was still hard to play with the slime and they still kept on falling out. Now we will be mixing this lip scrub from Lush into our slime, and I believe this is a peppermint lip scrub. So this lip scrub smelled super good, and I'm really interested to see how the texture of this lip scrub will change the slime. So if you didn't already know, sugar does melt down slime. Most lip scrubs are made out of sugar, but I'm not sure if this lip scrub is made out of sugar. On the packaging it does say that this lip scrub is edible, and I'm really confused because this slime did not melt down at all. It just became a little tiny bit sticky, but it did not melt down at all. I was really confused because I thought for sure the slime was going to melt down because of the lip scrub, but yeah, I'm really confused. This slime also smelled really good. It smelled just like the peppermint lip scrub. It smelled really good. Also, the texture didn't really change much for the slime. This slime just felt like it had a little more of a sandy texture. It just felt like I mixed a little bit of kinetic sand into it, or a little bit of like craft sand. But yeah, the texture was still really great, and it still had great clicks and bubble pops, and I really liked the way the slime came out, especially because of the scent. Also, do not worry, I'm not keeping any of these slimes from the video. I tossed them out right after the video, so yeah, don't worry about that. Now the final thing that we will be mixing into slime is KoolAid, and this is strawberry KoolAid, so you know what that means. This will be a red color, so if you are sensitive to seeing blood, then please just get off this video. This is the last item anyways. Okay, I just wanted to get that out there. So yeah, now let's mix the KoolAid into the slime. So as you can see, KoolAid does definitely have sugar in it, so it is melting down right away, right from the start. And I had no idea what to do. For some reason, I thought that if I mixed some more slime into this big mess, that it would turn back into its normal texture and consistency. But as you can see, that did not work out. I don't know why I did that. It just turned into an even bigger mess, and it was really hard to clean up. And I was not going to even try to activate it because I just had a feeling it would keep on melting down. This also stained my hands, and also I don't know why I did this. I just wanted to do it to see what would happen, and yeah, I just completely forgot that there was sugar in this for some reason and that it was gonna make a huge mess. And that was all I have for you guys in today's video. Don't forget to subscribe because you're definitely not going to want to miss any of my upcoming videos. Also, we are doing a face reveal at 2,000 subscribers, so subscribe down below if you are not already. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!